Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix or not load high resolution images on Messenger. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you are having this type issue that you cannot load high resolution images, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you haven't any update available of your Messenger app. So open up your App Store or Google Play Store, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any update of your Messenger app. Once you have checked, you just have to try again on your Messenger app, or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open up your settings. In settings, just go for general, then go for iPhone storage, and here you have to make sure that you have enough storage, because sometimes it might be that you haven't any available storage here, so you cannot load any high resolution images on any app. It's not only for Messenger. So if you have not enough storage, you must have to clean your storage by deleting something. And once you have that, you just have to go back and try it again. And in this way, your problem will be fixed. Or if it's not that, you must have to reinstall your Messenger app, and that's why your problem will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.